Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna hit up garage sales, make some money, and maybe even see some thrift stores. I want you guys to come with me. Let's hit the road. Money's still getting ready. Dude's never on time. Ever. We're gonna hit up garage sales today. It just rained last time, which sucks, but you know, we're gonna make the best of it. I think there are around 4 to 6 garage sales that we could see. So we're gonna try that out. There's a couple fundraiser ones as well, which is kind of cool. But if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe. Let's go. All right, we're on the road. We're listening to some lonesome pine fiddlers. Basically some bluegrass. Pretty good stuff. Whoa, this thing says Bonafide Bluegrass. Okay, we did not plan this. It says Bonafide Bluegrass and Mountain Music, I think. Whoa! Whoa! Damn, Banjo Brigade. Are you part of the Banjo Brigade today?
No.
Do you want to be?
No.
Oh, okay, now he switches it to Coldplay.
No, I already went.
Man, that was from like awesome to like not awesome.
Why? Because there are already banjos and
it goes from
Coldplay?
like mountain music to like Coldplay.
That's not mountain music.
It said mountain music before this.
Did it?
Bluegrass, yes. It's ding dong. It was mountain music. So see, it's bluegrass and mountain music.
Where is it?
See?
It says and mount.
And mountain music.
And mount.
Well, too bad you should have got the other Tacoma where the upgrade was the rest of this. We're gonna hit up garage sales today. Our first one's like right down the way over there, and should be a lot of fun. This storm that, gosh, look at the storm that just came through town. I guess it's that way. So maybe there are gonna be garage sales, maybe there won't, but I think we're gonna find 1 or 2. So stick with us. Don't you go to some other channel on YouTube that has inferior stuff. You stay here. You stay here on my channel. We need to find a name for e-money, all right? So everyone's like, oh, it's Genghis Gains with Bonafide, and like, what's it, the Thrifty Samurai or whatever. All these names are coming through, and I love them.
Asian Warlord.
Or Asian Warlord, all that. All right, so what's e-money's name? And you guys get to go hard. You get to go ham on the comments right now on this dude.
You gotta have the sideburns down.
Okay.
That'll help.
Okay.
That'll help.
I think we're trying to not get any girls today, so that's good. That's good. That's gonna work. Okay, sweet. We got some. We have some chick raid here.
Oh, Thrifty Bush.
Chick raid. No girls. Chick raid. Chick raid.
Polar opposite magnet.
So yeah. What is his name? Come on, go crazy in the feed right now. What's this dude's name? Not his real name, his other name, whatever you guys want it to be. All right, E-Money and I have a little contest, and that is, since it just rained, he's got water on his hood. It is 7:05 in the morning right here. So the contest is who's closer by minute to when it's all dried up. All that stuff right there. At what time today will it all be dried up on the hood, all right? Not on the side panels or anything, just on the hood. When will the last drop be gone? So I will pick, oh no way, because I already know what you're gonna do.
You're gonna Price Is Right me. I already know it.
Just pick one.
No, because you're gonna Price Is Right me. That's why I don't want to do it.
I will pick 758.
All right, 759.
Oh. You jerk. So, all right, we'll see. So I'm really surprised, but we see a yellow sign right here, and you know, there's water all over the ground, so these people must have been really wanting to sell their stuff. Who knows? I know in the ad on this one, it said, you know, spider men's jacket, whole suit kind of thing. So it was like, okay, cool. Maybe we can go find something here. Pulling up to this house like professional creepers. They're kind of staging this garage sale, but we can kind of see some things right there. So, let's go check it out. It just doesn't look like they have everything going on, but we'll see. All right, didn't find anything there. There was a spider ski suit kind of thing for 10 bucks. The person said yes, but then upon more scrutiny, there were some issues with the bottom piece that were closer to the boot part of the suit. Anyways, so I passed on it. Let's go to the next garage sale. Heading to the next garage sale. Oh, there's still water on the hood, but I don't know, man. 720. 720 E-Money. How you feeling about your guest there?
I don't feel good about it. I don't.
Better go park under something then, huh? And just chill. It looks like you're about to lose. Oh man, next garage sale. There's a sign. I can't believe it. There's a sign. Thanks for basing it, man. I saw a sign. I really did.
You did that. You recycled that joke from last week.
Whatever, man. Recycling is good. It's good for the environment. Here, down this way. Oh look, I see a sign. Ace of basing it. I just recycled it again. Man, I am really good.
Reused it.
Oh wow, these people really care about having a garage sale. Look at this. All right, let's see what we can find here. You almost saw me filming. Let's check it out. First find of the morning is a black Wii.
I'm gonna get real fit.
You're gonna get real fit, E-Money.
fit.
You're fat, E-Money. You need to get fit.
Jeez.
So, all right, so we got all this stuff right here. It's all this. This is like nunchuck galore and like all the cables for the Wii with 3 games.
So standardly.
Standardly.
No. Yeah, standardly, I'll get 50 on this all day locally.
Yeah.
Since it's got a little bit extra stuff, it'll probably be 60.
Nice. I like that. That's a good deal. What? Something flew in you? Ah!
Oh.
Something flew in you. What is it?
I don't know.
Something's in you?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there it is. Something.
Oh, it's a leaf.
Okay. There's still a little bit of water on the hood. Oh man. 734.
What did I say?
I think you're 759. Alright, currently listening to some Iron Maiden. We're watching these drops. There's still some right there, E-Money. It's 742.
I think I'm gonna win.
You might actually win because these other drops right here are having a really tough time evaporating.
Well, there's one big one right in the center.
Ah! The sun is out though. This is looking promising for me. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to a fundraiser sale now. See if that's going down. Fundraiser sales can be pretty cool because, you know, just a whole conglomeration of stuff. Like their main thing is just to raise funds for usually a trip or some sort of charity. Usually people just pile all their stuff together, so that's kind of cool. It's like a little bit more rummaging and stuff, but that can be really fun. We enjoy it, so we're gonna go hit that up in 1 second. Looks like I'm going to lose. It's 7:56 and there's still some drops right here on the lip. So, and I don't see that evaporating in time. E-Money, good game, you win.
Dude, that was so close.
That was really close. I mean, like really close. But there's some right here. Yeah, turn right here. Next garage sale is this fundraiser garage sale. But congratulations to E-Money, or whatever his name is. Because by now you should have commented down below what his reseller name should be. So it says yard sale something around here. We gotta figure out where to go though. Here. There's a lot of cars right there. There's a Bob stroller or something right here. I see it right now. Don't you see it? Yeah. Look at that. All right, didn't find anything there. The Bob stroller had some pretty serious issues. Even at 30 bucks, it was not a buy. And it's just not right. Because people that have kids that want to buy Bob strollers, they want all the safety and all this stuff. And that one had some serious things wrong with it. We're sitting here in the Mueller development. This is the old hangar from, I want to say, the 30s or something. Check this thing out, really beautiful. It's part of this big ass development neighborhood thing. But anyways, they kept the hangar here, which is really nice. We're gonna get some coffee at this place called Compass Coffee. We're gonna try it out and see if it's any good. It's like 2 cortados.
Anything else, bag?
That'll be it, man.
He's 50 street. It's fine.
Thank you. We got our Compass Coffees, guys. We got our cortados from Compass Coffee. They smell okay, E-Money.
Cheers.
Smell okay, let's try it.
Huge freaking cup.
Hey, it's not actually bad.
Ah! Whoa. Surprise, surprise.
Ah! This is good. Gosh.
Jeez, alert.
Holy crap.
Dude.
It's a 3 to me. That's a pretty good cortado.
Ah!
Well worth the wait.
Ah!
It's pretty good, isn't it?
This is a 3.
This is so good.
Like a solid.
All right.
Ascending
It
up.
took a while to make it. I ain't gonna lie. I was sitting there like, all right, they're really taking their time on this thing. It is really good though.
Yeah, this is very good.
Wow. It's one of the better ones I've had in town. All right, so Compass Coffee. A little trailer.
You were ragging on
Wow.
him so bad.
I was kind of ragging on them a little bit, but now I take all my rags back. All the rag. I take all the rags. Let's get out of this place. This is a pretty cool hangar, man. I like it. It's pretty neat. It's really big. I know what we can fit in this hangar, E-Money. You know what we can fit in this hangar?
My profits from today.
Nope. Yep. Something worse than that. It's pretty disgusting. Next garage sale's down here. We saw the sign. We're ace of basing it. Oh man. Reuse, recycle. Joke still fresh. And this garage sale should be very close to here. Here it is. Oh, it's pretty big. That's what she said. Yeah, this looks actually very interesting. Park right there, E-Money. We didn't find anything here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, but we didn't find anything. But the good thing is we feel good because we're showing up, right. And it's only a matter of time before we find something good today, for sure. And the day has just come around full circle. Actually, full half circle, because if it came full circle, it'd be the same day, right?
Would be.
Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah. So it came half circle, and it looks pretty good. So promising. We're gonna get our next garage sale right here. And we're in a great part of town, so feeling good about it. Like I said earlier, it's a matter of time. We're gonna find something good. Come on, E-Money, let's do this.
Oh, we're 2 minutes out.
Hey, E-Money, trivia question. You know what the fastest accelerating animal is? In a jump state.
In a jump
state, yeah. So if you were to jump, fastest accelerating animal. I think this is it, but what do you think?
Flea.
Yeah, it's it.
Is it really?
I think it is, yeah. Dang, dude, how do you know that?
Dude, I don't know, they are super fast.
She is a flea. I'm pretty sure it's a flea. That is so funny that he got that. Jeez. Next garage sale right here. Doesn't look that promising, but we're gonna, cover it anyway and see what's going on. We'll see. All right, Mega Score, Xbox One Call of Duty Edition, $20 with controllers. That was awesome. E-Money got a couple cool things too. Oh, I also got this digital processor pedal from like back in the day that was like $5 for that, plus another thing with a Jabra headset, which is crazy. Anyways, this was like a home run garage sale. E-Money got a Microsoft Band, this is Gen 1, still selling for $67. That's the net check from Amazon right there, super low rank, and a Bluetooth speaker. And you only spent like how much? $5? Dang. Okay, we're gonna stop right here at this Goodwill. See if we can find anything. We did buy a desk from that garage sale as well for 30 bucks. We're gonna throw it in the booth for like 90 bucks or so. So that's pretty good. And then gotta go to the farmer's market, gotta get some pasture raised eggs. And we're gonna get some tacos, but they're gonna be a to-go taco order. E-Money, what do you mean? Oh my gosh, it's a Volt. And it wants to go this way.
No, I'm talking about the reason.
Oh,
see, look at that.
That guy just Rubicon his Volt. The Jabra headset that I got, the last time I sold it was around 50 plus. The Digitech guitar pedal thing, it's a guitar processor pedal. I mean, it was so cheap, I just had to get it. And the power supply was with it too, so that was really important. So that's probably gonna sell for 40 bucks or so, I would think. It's not completely outdated, which is good. Yeah, let's go. Let's find some good stuff. Snowboard boots, some Roxy ones already. Playing some Erasure. I love Erasure, I love it. All right, found some tank tops that we might get into, and these pair of Oakley snowboard pants so far. Really good price on those snowboard pants. Found this Maxpedition. This is in Bags to Bucks, this brand right here. It's kind of like a satchel looking thing. I'll look this thing up, but this could be a buy. I don't see a price anywhere on it. Walked out buying that Maxpedition shoulder bag right there. Should get about 60 bucks for this thing. I paid less than $4 for it inside that thrift store. Pretty nice. Oh no. So E-Money parked here and there's a fire lane and there are two people on the fire lane. We can't even get out of here. So E-Money's gonna go tell the front desk there are two idiots that parked really stupid behind us. Oh my gosh. Last stop, the Goodwill Boutique. Pretty interesting. Sometimes we find some cool stuff here, sometimes we don't. But if you guys didn't know, I'm actually updating an Instagram story throughout the day today, so I don't plan to do this all the time, but you should check out, you should definitely follow this one guy, The Bonafide Hustler. He's like really cool. But yeah, I want to put this on the story. I think the Instagram story gives you a little bit more realistic like look at everything, plus you can interact with like cool people like throughout the day, through the story, so that's kind of neat. But
wow, that's original.
Well, you can't interact with this right now because this won't be edited till like a week from now or something. So the Instagram story makes it kind of cool for me and you guys. Yeah, this guy, the Bonafide Hustler. This guy is not a douche. He's awesome. It's like update an Instagram story and do this vlog is like pretty hard to do, but last I checked, I work out. I got big biceps. I can do this stuff. Shoe game strong in this Goodwill today. Bins first. Find some cool stuff in here every now and then. See anything? No way. Was that a camera? Bonka? No, that's not a camera. I thought it was a Bonka. I thought for some reason it was a camera. But All right, what does this remind you of? That top thing right now. 24. Ding. 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 I was like, what does this remind you of, E-Money? You started doing the 24 countdown.
Face that's like
Chloe? What is her name?
yeah, like super confused all the time.
Yeah, I think it was her.
The case isn't here.
The case isn't here.
Damn it!
What does this say? Orange Beach. Okay. E-Money. You can go riding in this. You can go ride mountain bikes in this thing. General style is something you should always be looking for. These are North Face boots right here, but they're shaved up pretty good on the back, so it's our automatic pass right there. All right, that's officially the last thrift destination. That's officially the last thrift destination of the day. Now we're gonna get some eggs and we're gonna get some tacos. And E-Money has got something funny. He's already laughing at something. I don't know what it is. And by the way, official Bonafide Hustler Cheddar Weather t-shirt right here. You can get it down below in the links.
Buy my merch!
Buy my merch! No, seriously, this is a cool shirt. Got the 80s theme on it. I'm real proud of this design. I didn't design it though, but it's awesome. I love it. Get your own right now and be just like an Asian warlord like this guy. That's so 24 right there. Farmers market, and it looks just to be like an amazing farmers market. There's like stuff there, there's stuff way down here, and there's stuff way in the distance. So it's a pretty big farmers market, but I'm gonna get these eggs, the best eggs ever.
As a result of my own
What's up, buddy? What's up, dude? She made an order last night, like a weird order.
Yeah,
There's something, was your site broken down, dude? Are these things too popular?
No, I mean,
That's where you're supposed to say yes.
yeah, they're too popular. No, my web guy needs to fix some things on the site. These were harvested this morning.
Ooh.
At 4 a.m.
They might be too old for me, I don't know.
And
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Those look good. Guys, if you're in Austin, Texas, this is the place to come. You gotta go here. Shirt tail. All right, we're making a stop at the antique mall right here. We're gonna drop off that desk that we got back there for 30 bucks. We're gonna list it for $189. My store is at 50% off right now, so we'll walk with like 90 bucks. Actually, like $81 after all the commission and everything. So it's not too bad. We'll get a little $50 return for something that we don't have to hold on to. It's a pretty cool looking desk. I'd imagine it would sell pretty fast. So yeah, pulling up to the back of the antique mall right here. We're gonna get this done. All right, we don't need any footage of me putting it in the booth because we all know what that probably looks like. But anyways, that's the beauty of the booth sometimes, is you can just buy big things like that, which look interesting. Even though technically it was a world market table, so we took all the stickers off and everything, but you know, 50 bucks, it'd be an easy 50 bucks and we don't have to see that thing again. I'd imagine it wouldn't last very long on my booth, so that's good. So we did to-go tacos since we have the eggs back here. I forgot to bring the Yeti cooler, but anyways, you know, I thought it was a pretty decent day. These tacos look delicious. I wish I could share them with all you guys out there, because if I could, I would. But it was a good day. I'm still kind of debating whether I want to keep this Xbox One, assuming it works and everything, because there's like, I just researched all the cool games that I could play on it, like Overwatch and, you know, Forza 7, Titanfall 2, Destiny 2 maybe or whatever, a bunch of other cool kind of indie games. I don't know. If you have an Xbox One, let me know. What's your experience with it? Is it cool to have, or is PS4 just the better one to have? Let me know. E-Money, did you have fun today?
Yeah, I did.
You hungry?
Yeah, I gotta go to the post office and drop off.
Oh yeah, we gotta go post office. So that's pretty much the day. Got other post office things to drop off. I think 4 things sold yesterday, but anyways, whatever. It was fun hanging out with you guys. Take it easy. See you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.